This is the green cabbage looper caterpillar. It has fallen victim to its number one predator, the red-banded sand wasp. The sand wasp is notorious for hunting caterpillars, catching them on sunny days and paralyzing them with one sting, and sometimes a couple more stings just to ensure paralysis. Later on, it'll bury it in a burrow with a single egg. Adult wasps primarily feed on nectar from flowers. This caterpillar is for her larvae. These wasps are medium-sized, solitary, and non-aggressive. They are beneficial for gardeners because cabbage looper caterpillars feed on plants like cabbage, broccoli, and cauliflower. They also attack vegetables like lettuce, spinach, and tomatoes. And so, the red-banded sand wasp are a natural pesticide.